Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. My name is Adilil. For the introduction, in the pursuit of developing a safe and environmentally friendly mode of transportation, our team has been tasked with designing a two-seater buggy car that adheres to road safety factors while considering emission levels. The focus of our observation and finding lies within the context of UKM, specifically examining and road conditions within the campus, road safety measures taken by road users and pedestrians, and the necessary anti-accident measures to prevent fatal accidents. Furthermore, we aim to determine the design of a reliable system for the buggy that encompasses both its emissions and overall vehicle dynamics. Vehicle dynamics refers to the study of how a vehicle moves and behaves on the road, considering factors such as acceleration, braking, steering ability, and traction. It involves understanding the forces and motion acting on a vehicle and how they affect its overall performance and handling characteristics. Vehicle dynamics plays a crucial role in road safety as it directly impacts the vehicle's ability to respond to driver inputs, maintain stability, and avoid accidents. Reliability, on the other hand, refers to the dependability and consistency of a vehicle's performance over time. It encompasses the ability of a vehicle to operate as intended without experiencing failures or breakdowns. Reliability is a key aspect of road safety, as unexpected malfunction or failures in critical vehicle components can lead to accidents or compromise the driver's control over the vehicle. The relation between vehicle dynamics and reliability lies in their mutual influence on overall road safety. A well-designed vehicle with optimal dynamics will provide better handling, responsiveness, and stability, which in turn enhances safety on the road. For example, a properly tuned suspension system and responsive braking mechanism contribute to the vehicle's ability to maintain control during the cornering or emergency maneuvers, reducing the risk of accidents. Moreover, a reliable vehicle ensures that critical systems such as the braking system, steering system, and engine operate consistently and without unexpected failures. This reliability instills confidence in the driver, allowing them to focus on the road and respond to potential hazards effectively. Reliability also contributes to the prevention of accidents caused by mechanical failures, as a well-maintained vehicle is less likely to experience sudden breakdowns that could lead to loss of control. In summary, vehicle dynamics and reliability are interrelated aspects of road safety. A vehicle with optimized dynamic promotes better handling and responsiveness, while reliability ensures consistent performance and minimizes the risk of unexpected failures. By considering both factors in the design of the two-seater buggy, we can create a vehicle that offers enhanced safety, maneuverability, and peace of mind for its occupant and other road users. The design of the two-seater buggy based on the emission. When comparing electric drive to internal combustion engine, the former has a much lower carbon emission. For a lifetime fuel consumption of ICE, 70 tons of carbon dioxide is released into the atmosphere, whereas an electric car like Tesla only produces 30 tons of carbon dioxide, assuming the current electrical grid in Malaysia. When in use, electric drives do not produce any emissions, while ICE burns fossil fuel and emits harmful gases such as carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxide, and soot directly into the atmosphere. The carbon emissions associated with electric drive depends on the source of electricity used to charge the batteries. If the electricity comes from renewable sources like solar, wind, or hydroelectric power, the emissions are significantly reduced. However, if the electricity comes from the coal or fossil fuel, the emissions associated with charging the electric vehicle will be higher. It is important to note that by looking at the trend, electric generation is gradually becoming cleaner, with more renewable energy sources being implemented, further reducing the carbon footprint of electric vehicles over time. The material that is being used to build the frame of the car is made of lightweight materials. By choosing a lightweight material, we can significantly reduce carbon emissions. Lightweight materials such as aluminium, carbon fiber, and high-strength steel require more energy during manufacturing compared to traditional steel frames. However, it's important to note that these alternative materials can offer weight savings, which can result in improved average fuel efficiency. This fuel efficiency improvement can balance the higher energy requirements during manufacturing, resulting in overall environmental benefits. Lighter frames contribute to improved fuel efficiency and reduce emission during the lifetime usage of the buggy. The battery packs are made of lithium-ion batteries. Compared to traditional lead-acid battery, lithium-ion offers better performance, greater battery life, reduced maintenance, and improved charging efficiency. Because of its higher energy density, lithium-ion battery can store much more energy and require less space. This means longer distance. Other characteristics of lithium-ion batteries are the capability of batteries to provide consistent power output, allowing for better acceleration and maintaining high speed. The battery packs also have the capability of faster charging. Maintenance is also reduced because lithium-ion batteries do not need to be checked that frequently, and the capability of it to withstand shock and temperature increase are a plus. The location of the battery pack, which is under the seat, also lowers the center of the gravity of the buggy, thus improving stability.
Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Afi Idam, and today I will be presenting about the road condition in campus. So the first figure shows the potholes on the road that we found in UKM. So we believe that these potholes are caused by the heavy vehicles, especially those with the concentrated loads like trucks and buses, put significant stress on the road surface. Over time, this constant weight and pressure can lead to the development of cracks, which eventually evolve into potholes. Okay, in the below you can see the second figure, which shows the high and damaged split bump. So we believe that these are caused by wear and tear. Over time, speed bumps may deteriorate and become higher than their original design due to the wear and tear. Frequently used by heavy vehicles or exposure to extreme weather conditions and can cause the material to erode or shift, resulting in increase in height. So the final figure shows the dim road lights. We believe that these are caused by the maintenance and aging infrastructure. Lack of regular maintenance or aging infrastructure can contribute to dim road lights. If the lights are not cleaned, repaired or replaced as needed, their performance can decline over time, leading to dimness. Okay, the next I'll be presenting about the road safety measures by road users and public pedestrians. So the first safety measure for the road user are obeying traffic laws. Traffic laws are in place to effectively regulate and control the movement of vehicles, leading to a safer and more structured road environment. Compliance with the law significantly contributes to the safety of both one and others on the road. Speed limits determined by the factors such as road condition, visibility, and the surrounding environment should be strictly followed as they serve to prevent accidents. Okay. The second road safety measures for the road user are avoiding distraction. Eliminating distraction while driving is an essential road safety measure that greatly diminishes the chance of accidents. Distraction diverts a driver's attention away from the road, impairing their capacity to react swiftly to potential danger. It is crucial for road users to prioritize the attentiveness and minimize the distraction to ensure a safe driving environment. The next are the safety measures for the public pedestrian. So the first safety measures are to use designated crosswalk. So giving priority to the use of designated crosswalk is an essential road safety measure that the pedestrian should prioritize. Designated crosswalks are clearly marked areas on the road that offers a safe and visible path for the pedestrian to cross. By utilizing the designated areas, pedestrians enhance their visibility to drivers and assert their right of way. Okay, the second safety measures are obeying the traffic signals and signs. Complying with the traffic signals and signs is an imperative road safety measure that pedestrians should prioritize. The signals and signs are implemented to regulate them and manage the movement of both vehicles and pedestrians, ensuring a safety and well-organized traffic flow. The final safety measure for the public pedestrians are visibility, lighting and reflecting device. So the both child pedestrians and cyclists can enhance their safety by utilizing conspicuity and aids and wearing light-colored and retro-reflective clothing. Manufacturers and designers of children clothing and accessories are in favorable position to incorporate retro-reflective materials into their product lines.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I'm going to present about anti-accident related measures need to be taken to prevent fatal accidents. So the first one is anti-lock braking system. What is anti-lock braking system? It is actually a safety feature implemented in vehicles, including buggy trucks, to prevent the wheels from locking up during braking, particularly in emergency or hard braking situation, thus reducing the risk of accident. These particular systems can allow the driver to maintain steering control and improve stability while braking because of this modulation of brake pressure, which keeps the wheels from losing traction and preventing them from sliding. It lessens the chance of losing control, assists in reducing and the stopping distance, and improve all-around road safety. Okay, the next anti-accident related measures that I'm going to tell you is about seatbelt. Okay, seatbelt is the main safety item that aids in protecting the passengers in case of an accident or rapid deceleration. By keeping the passengers of moving vehicles confined to their seats and preventing them from hitting objects or flying out of the windows, seatbelts lessens the severity of injuries. Seatbelts are thought of the first line of defense in preventing injuries and fatalities from traffic accidents.
Hello, I'm Ikmal and I'll be presenting about the design of the reliability system of the buggy. Firstly, we have battery cells. We use high quality battery cells from reputable manufacturers that have a proven track record of reliability and performance. For the electric motor, we use high quality bearings that can withstand the loads, speeds and operating conditions of the motor. And proper lubrication and maintenance of the bearings are essential to prevent premature wear, noise and failure. Next, the braking system. We implement effective thermal management to dissipate heat generated during braking. Next, adequate ventilation, cooling fins or heat shields can help prevent brake fading and maintain consistent braking performance under high temperature conditions. For the suspension system, components and their mounting points are structurally sound and capable of withstanding the anticipated loads and forces. Adequate strength, rigidity, and corrosion resistance are crucial for long-term reliability. Lastly, for the chassis, we implement effective corrosion protection to safeguard the chassis against rust and deterioration. The chassis design complies with relevant industry standards, regulations, and safety guidelines.
So, based on the calculation, the braking system and the chassis have the lowest hazard rate and the highest reliability among the listed components. They also have the longest mean time to failure in both hours and years, indicating a high level of reliability. The electric motor and the suspension system need to be further improved to mitigate the impact of potential failure.
Okay, now I'm going to present about the emission of buggy truck in relation to reliability and vehicle dynamics of the vehicle. The combustion efficiency of a truck's engine has a direct impact on emissions. The engine of a truck may not run as efficiently due to emission-related problems, which can seriously affect how reliable the truck is. Okay, the first relationship is emission control system. The effective combustion of the fuel in the engine is ensured by emission control system. The combustion process may be interfered with when certain parts break down or become faulty, resulting in an incomplete combustion and higher emissions. The next one is engine misfires, which happen when the fuel air mixture fails to ignite properly in one or more cylinders, can be caused by an ineffective emission control system. The engine misfires can increase stress on engine parts and could cause premature wear and decreased reliability. This one is the road condition in campus in relation to reliability and vehicle dynamics of the vehicle. The reliability and vehicle dynamics of the buggy trucks are significantly influenced by the state of the road surface, the overall performance, maintenance requirements, and the safety vehicle can all be significantly impacted by the condition of the roadways on the campus. The first relationship is excessive vibration. Uneven surface and potholes can cause automobiles to vibrate and shock excessively. This may put more strain on the suspension and chassis parts. When this happens, it can accelerate the wear and decrease the reliability of the vehicle. The next one is tire wear. Roads that are poorly maintained and can accelerate tire wear and damage. Damaged tires can impact vehicle control and safety of the buggy truck. And the last one is the road safety measures by road users and public pedestrians in relation to reliability and vehicle dynamics of the vehicle. Road safety is the utmost importance to both drivers and pedestrians. It is not only to protect individual safety but also directly affect the dependability and vehicle dynamics of the moving vehicle. Okay, the first one that affect the reliability is excessive weight. And excessive weight or load can have a negative impact on a vehicle's dynamic. When it is overload, the weight distribution becomes imbalanced. Okay, the next one is pedestrian. Roadways, crosswalks, and specifically designated pedestrian spaces must all be used safely by the pedestrian. The dependability of automobiles on the road is improved by allowing people to cross the streets securely without hastening or endangering them.